ahead, tell me what you're gonna do. Here she goes. This was our goal from the beginning of the summer. Let's see if she can do it. Nice and easy. You got this. Halfway, baby. Stroke. You got this. Paddle hard, come on. You good? Come on, you got this. You got this. Yeah, there you go. There you go. You're doing it. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. She's got this. Here we go, baby. Strokes. You got it? Go, 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 go. Under, C-line, C-line. Come on, you got this. You got this. 5 more feet. Come on. You got it. You got it. Kick hard, kick hard, kick hard. Come on. She's going to do it. She's going to do it. Yes! All the way, baby. Look at me. All the way, girl. Give me a high five. High five, baby. Was that easy or hard? Good job, baby. I'm so proud of you.